Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on your MacBook Pro. This highly realistic soft-body physics simulator is not natively available for Mac OS, presenting a unique challenge for Mac users. We will explore two main approaches to get this incredible game running smoothly. First, we will discuss installing Windows, and then we will cover cloud gaming or virtualization options. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to enjoy BeamNG Drive on your Apple device. The first and often best method for playing BeamNG Drive is using Apple's Boot Camp Assistant. This utility allows you to install a full version of Windows directly onto your MacBook Pro, enabling the game to run with native performance. You will need a valid Windows license and a minimum of 100 gigabytes of free storage on your Mac. Boot Camp ensures your Mac's hardware is fully utilized, offering the smoothest gameplay experience possible for this demanding simulator. Another approach involves cloud gaming services or virtualization software. Cloud gaming, such as NVIDIA GeForce Now, streams the game from powerful remote servers directly to your MacBook, requiring a very fast and stable internet connection. Alternatively, virtualization software like Parallels Desktop allows you to run Windows as a virtual machine within Mac OS. While convenient, virtual machines typically offer lower performance than Boot Camp, so adjust your expectations for demanding games like BeamNG Drive. To optimize your BeamNG Drive experience, first ensure your MacBook Pro meets the game's minimum system requirements, especially regarding RAM and GPU. Always close unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Within the game, experiment with graphics settings, reducing details like reflections or shadows to achieve smoother frame rates. For longer play sessions, an external cooling pad can help maintain optimal performance and prevent thermal throttling. Enjoy crashing cars in BeamNG Drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.